Hello everyone, this is a tutorial of training your own model in our Formula RL environment. We assume that you have pre-installed Unity 3D and ML Agent package. If you haven't installed them already, please refer to the official documentation from Unity, which I'll post the link below in the description. So the first thing we need to do is to open our project in the Unity. To open our project, you need to start Unity Hub and select Open on the upper right corner and select our source project folder and click open. Once the Unity is loaded up, you will probably see some scene popped up. We have several scenes in our project, and for training your model specifically, we will select the scene located under the assets, karting, scenes, and there will be a scene named mountaintop training scene.unity. Double click the scene file, and if everything goes right, it will pop up the scene we see right now. This is the training environment for your own model. Now our training track is ready. We will introduce the kart model you will be using for the training. Look at the left part where you have a list of hierarchy of objects. Under agents, you will see a list of agents that are available to train. Of course, you can add more or reduce the number of agents training in the scene, which I think only affects the speed of training. And make sure you'll select all the agents together. And on the right, make sure you scroll down and select the training for the mode. Here you can also tune your rewards values or customize new reward script to your model. And now we are mostly ready for the Unity 3D side. So now open up your favorite terminal and make sure ML Agent is installed and working. To train our model, we need to make sure that we have a path to the training configuration file. The training config file is used to specify the training algorithms and hyperparameters you can tune for the training process. For example, here we are using a training configuration that uses PPO algorithm, and you are free to modify it according to the instructions on ML Agent official documentation. To train our model, we will also need to specify a run ID, which is a unique identifier for each training you run. You can start over from a new run ID, or you can resume from an existing run ID. Lastly and optionally, you will need to specify a result directory, which we recommend output your model under the assets folder under results folder. And after hit enter, and ML Agent will start. It will wait until you hit the play button in Unity 3D. So let's click the play button here. So after you hit the play button in Unity 3D, information will be logged into terminal every certain number of steps. Also, you can switch back to Unity 3D and look at how the model is training and evolving. Also, you can click in the Scene tab to have an overview look of your model training process. So once you finish the training, you can just kill the ML Agent process. It will save in .onnx model file to the directory you specified. And after that, you can refer to our how to run your model demo using your own .onnx model. So your model will be located at the directory such as the assets results, the run ID you specified. Here is your .onnx model file.